It is a beautiful day at the K River Campground. The river's full, man. Y'all see it down here. We're always down here in 4x4s and side-by-sides and dirt bikes, and the river's down and we're playing. Not today though, it's up today. Today is a special day for me for a couple reasons, and because of that, I'm gonna take you to one of my favorite spots to go ride and chill. It's a special day because look where we are. We are at the Disabled Veterans Cabin. This cabin has been a project of mine for some time, and y'all have been involved. You've watched the videos, you've supported me online with my coffee, all kinds of ways to try to get this cabin done. And today, I got all the blinds for these windows, and I ordered all of the curtains. They're gonna go on these windows. They're gonna be great big draping curtains, floor to ceiling. These windows are really important to me because what they do is they don't cut off this bottom section. You see how low this is? If you couldn't see out of that window, if this was wall down here and then you sit in a chair, that line just continues to go up. With this, you got floor to ceiling, you can see all of the campground, whether you're in a chair or standing up. Super important to me. We got all these custom doors put in. We got roll under sinks, handicap accessible tables. Now keep in mind, all of these were milled out of lumber right here at this property. Our team at the River actually made all these countertops. We're gonna have a nice queen bed in here. And of course, in this bathroom, another roll under sink and roll in tiled shower. Look who it is, man. Chucky, how you doing, buddy?
Hi, good, good.
You doing good?
Yeah.
So I'm telling these people all about this beautiful cabin that we redid here. What do you think of it?
It's awesome. It's nice.
Yeah?
It's clean.
It is clean, huh? All new walls, right down to the studs.
Yeah.
What else did we do, Chucky?
Put cedar outside.
Yeah.
Painted it black. Let's see. Yeah. And the sheetrock and the metal roof. The new windows. The windows in those new.
Yeah.
Got a heating air unit.
Yeah.
Hell, we already got the bed in there.
Looking,
And I like the tubs. Yeah.
looking good.
The tubs are an improvement for sure.
Big time, huh?
Yes, big time.
How did this place look before I started remodeling it?
Yeah, holes in the floor, holes in the wall, holes in the ceiling. It was rough.
Yeah.
It needed a makeover.
Yeah, well, I think we did good, Chucky.
Oh, yes.
I think we did real good. There are some odds and ends we're gonna have to button up here yet. I think a couple more pieces of furniture. I just ordered all the blinds. Ooh. We gotta power up. Look, you guys, look at this. These are power open doors, right? So once it's powered up, which it's not right now, you hit that button and it'll open. It's a big deal for someone that maybe doesn't have the dexterity of their fingers, you know? Maybe they can move a limb, like my dad, he's quadriplegic. He can move his arm out, but he can't grab anything with his hand. Huh. So he could push that button and let himself out.
Okay.
One of the worst things in the world, I think, for a lot of these people with these disabilities is the independence. Independence is a huge thing for me. Having a sink they can go up and work themselves and get their wheelchair under. Being able to let themselves out onto the porch to overlook the campground or their party or their event on their own without having to ask somebody for help. Making this cabin so that it actually helps them. So it's actually a tool more than just a house.
Yeah.
Does it make you feel good, Chucky?
Yeah.
How many veterans have we seen in this campground?
Quite a few.
Quite a few. Feel good every time they come, don't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why we do it. And that's why today, you guys, I'm taking you all for a little celebratory ride because I think within a week, maybe 2 weeks, but I think within a week, this cabin's open and ready for veterans to come visit. Let's go ride. So this, my friends, is it. We are at Sardis Lake, and I gotta tell you, if y'all didn't see my latest video, I just put these T-bars on this motorcycle. They're actually made by a company called Barnstorm, and today's my first ride with them. And I gotta tell you, They are awesome. Absolutely loving the way they feel on this bike. Completely changed my posture. Absolutely love them. But that's not why I'm so excited today. Why I'm so excited today is because a project that I've been working hard on, I kind of see the light at the end of the tunnel. And this, my friends, is kind of where I like to hang out and celebrate. I like to hang out here and think. And that's kind of what this is about right now. It's about, you know, the direction my life is going. You know, doing YouTube and putting yourself on the internet comes with a lot of responsibility and a lot of different critiquing. Everything you do, your entire life is under a microscope. And I'm not complaining at all. I'm just saying that sometimes when that gets heavy, this is a spot where I like to come and think. It's pretty cool. And responsibilities for, you know, the things I show you guys and the things I tell y'all. These are things that, you know, a lot of you trust my word and believe in me. And I have to make sure that not only do I believe what I'm telling you, but that I believe it's a good recommendation for y'all too. And you know, I do a lot of thinking before I do a lot of different business deals. You know, I turn down more sponsors than I take every year. It's important to have sponsors and companies to align with, but it's also important to stay genuine to y'all and make sure that the companies I'm saying yes to are ones I truly believe in. When I put people on my channel, I have to believe they're good people to share with y'all. Regardless of responsibilities, this, my friends, is my thinking area. One of the reasons I moved to the campground right here was the beautiful riding, this beautiful scenery we got out here, and then also it's close to Ashley's work. So, you know, there's really two reasons, but rides like this here we just did today help me center, help me get back focused, and just make a difference. I hope all of you find a place or have an area that helps you get centered and stay focused. No matter what life throws at us, it can throw some difficult things, and sometimes you even let people down. You know, I've worked with companies that ended up not being as great as I thought they were. I've introduced y'all to people on the internet that weren't as great as I thought they were. Sometimes you fail, sometimes you let people down. And it's important to have a place to center, because just because you fail one time doesn't mean you're gonna fail every time. And that, I think, is an important lesson in life. Okay, so you see this dam behind me here? That, my friends, is what controls my river level an awful lot. Now, granted, there's, you know, probably like 100 creeks that feed that river. This is one of our major flows. When they open up this dam like this, they can raise and lower my water level by 10 feet at the campground, just like that. So anyhow, it's Sardis Lake. It's just a perfect drive for the end of the day from the campground. And I just thought I'd share it with y'all today. Feeling good, feeling blessed. No, I'm not perfect. I make mistakes, but still feel blessed nonetheless. I hope you all do the same. I'm gonna leave you all with some beautiful drone shots of the sunset. And I want you all to remember that no matter what happens, no matter what obstacles get in your way, this Disabled Veterans Cabin is something I've been working on for over a year. And I've had all kinds of struggles. But no matter what struggles got in my way, I stayed stubborn. I dreamt until my dream came true. And today, it kind of sunk in that my dream, it did indeed come true. So thank you all for coming along for the ride. Thank you for being part of my channel. And we'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Y'all remember, man, whatever it is, y'all just stay stubborn.